Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts, and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Greetings everybody, guys. Let's take a look on the euro currency this time. So let's check this out, what is going on here. So yesterday you probably saw what is happening with the gold. Gold is skyrocketed to, well, above 2000 area, and as we talked about in our weekly report, we said, well, it's difficult to say where the gold could start to pull back. So theoretically the background for pullback exists, but no signs of the pullback stands on the market. And yesterday in the daily video we also talked about it and said that it's a bad sign for the bears, because it could mean that market could first hit the major target that stands at 21 area approximately on the gold before the pullback could start. And it seems that market is really standing on this way right to the 21 area, and then maybe response will start down from this level. Actually, well, that's going on the background of the poor situation in the United States dollar. If we'll take a look at the monthly chart of the dollar index, that's one of our basic charts that actually all our analysis stands on. This is really the core of the current situation what we have. And well, it promises that we will get another downward action. This is monthly chart, guys. Market stands in all time of confidence resistance, historical confidence resistance. And well, that explains everything in one or other degree, but we expect our continuation here. This explains our background on the euro and the gold market. So you do know all this stuff. So what to do with the euro? On the euro currency, guys, situation is very similar. Not quite similar, but if you remember, on the monthly chart, we also have near standing target. This is COP. And on the monthly chart, market is not about COP 120, 120.10, to be precisely speaking on the numbers. And currently, market stands actually not too far, just 150 pips. It's 1820, 120.10, it's, well, 200 pips. We will get the non-farm payrolls released this week. Gold is rallied to the upside. And here, it's very important moment comes on the euro currency, because market stands right now on the point, as usually happens when, we could get the answer whether we should be prepared for the downward action, or maybe market indeed could tending to 120 area finally. On the daily chart, no patterns have been formed that we talked about. No double repo, no bread and butter. No close below 3x3 has happened, so nothing. Market has formed only the half of the harmonic swing retracement here. On the 4-hour time frame chart, you could see that theoretically the background for appearing of the hand and shoulders exists here. And in general, this price action looks not very strong. It's a bit, small candles. Here stands not very aggressive and not seeing acceleration. So maybe if the hand short starts to work, we finally will get our retracement at least to the 116 area. And here maybe we will get some patching on the daily chart. Yes, 1630, theoretically that could be the bread and butter or something. That could be the destination that market could hit. Maybe it will reach the 1547 confidence support if the head and shoulders comes to the XOP target. But in the current background, by taking a look what's going on the gold market and it's coming on farm payrolls release, well, I am not ready to bet on it. So maybe minor pullback, yes, but deeper it stands under question. But that's not all yet. It's really still a big question with the hand shoulders as well. And today we have to keep an eye on this level. So in fact, here we have very clear, nice pattern. It's forming. It's regardless triple to sell. Market is almost has completed the OP, so it's an area around 1830 will be the point where theoretically you need to think about taking the short position if you would like to. Because here you could place very tight stop just above this area. And if market starts to work and the retracement will start, it has to start right from this point. If market will not start retracement right from this point, starting move tending higher, be prepared to something else. Ultimately, it will be the breakout and upward continuation to the 120.10 target on the monthly chart. So currently, we will get answer today. We should get answer on everything. Whether we will get retracement, whether we get better entry points on the daily chart, whether we will get bread and butter passion on the daily, or all this stuff will be erased and market will just continue upward direction. So that should be resolved around 1830. And that's the level that we need to keep an eye on today. Scalp traders could consider taking the short position because, well, market could complete minor target of the catalyst chip also. So, for example, just 30% pullback here could happen. This market stop and could turn up again. But minor target, very probable it could be reached. For scalp traders, this is, well, not bad background for trading. So let's see how it will turn.